Uwi ko na to, Boss Terence!
Wag!
Ooh.
What is up, mga imag boys? This is your boy, Ode Terence, and this is my girl. Ay, it's my friend Armin. And
Magjowa na pala, no? Welcome
welcome
back dito sa Amoy
Piranyan!
Piranyan!
Sorry.
Okay lang yung Boss
Ako
Terence.
pina-intro mo eh. Ganun lagi sablay eh pag ako nag-intro.
Oh my God. So, ano pala balita, Boss Terence? Imagination na naman.
Akala ko nga, tapos na ako sa imagination, rendezvous ko eh. Pero, alam mo,
Sa
Armin,
journey mo, parang hindi pa rin natatapos itong
guys,
Louis
alam
Vuitton
ko,
Imagination.
karamihan sa inyo dyan, napanood niyo yung past, yung parang pinagsabong namin yung mga imagination dupes.
Yes.
Sabi ko nga kay Armin, sawa na ako sa, parang I grew tired of ito, puwera biro, medyo, I grew tired of the imagination DNA.
Yes.
Sabi ko sa sarili ko, I don't see myself parang purchasing a new, kasi marami pang lumabas eh, after
Yun
nun
nga
eh. And, true enough, kahit yung mga Marwa,
Hectic.
sa collection ko, hindi ko na rin siya
Aqua
honestly
Dubai.
masyado nagagamit.
Mm.
Even itong OG, kung titignan niyo yung past videos namin, halos hindi na siya nagalaw.
Yeah.
So,
This is ilang ml to, Boss Terence?
200 ml.
Grabe, laki.
So, hindi ko na rin siya masyadong nagamit until nakilala ko si Ma'am Jackie.
Oh!
Okay? Ngayon,
Sino to?
Well,
Sino ba siya? Can you tell a little bit
Miss
about
Jackie
her?
is also a
Quick.
fragrance enthusiast.
Uh-uh.
She's based in Dubai, pero I think she also comes here every now and then.
Yeah?
I may be wrong, Ma'am Jackie. Correct niyo na lang kami sa comment section. So, anyway, I saw her contents about a new imagination
Wow.
dupe, no?
Okay.
Then, na-curious ako kasi parang, parang sobrang niyang nagustuhan eh. So, nung time na parang naalala mo, nag-live tayo nung kasama siya.
Oo, nakita ko nga yun. Nandun sa
Sabi
live.
ko,
Natuwa ako eh.
parang somehow I resonated with her taste eh. Yung parang mga type niya,
Mhm.
parang type ko rin. So, na-curious ako nung nabanggit niya to. Sige nga, so message ko siya. Yeah, Ma'am Jackie, meron ka ba niyan? Meron.
Nagpapabudol.
So, anyway, ito na yon. Guys,
Uy, ang ganda.
this is Hirsch 2.
Oh.
It's guys, hindi ito from Dubai eh. I think this is Saudi Arabian brand.
Oh.
Ilagay ka na lang natin mamaya dun yung parang name ng house. Hindi ko kasi memorize eh.
Ano ba name ng house nito?
Hindi siya nakasulat sa bottle eh.
Hindi nakasulat. Pero I can read it. It's Hirsch. Hirsch ang pagkabasa nito pero pronunciation Hirsch.
Okay.
Wow.
So, spray natin side by side?
Yeah, sure. No problem. G.
Okay. OG.
OG dito. Okay. Wow. That's very soapy. Siguro dito na lang, Boss Terence.
Hirsch.
Okay.
Lakas.
Puta.
Teka lang Baka isipin nyo.
Mother
Baka sabihin nyo, malakas. Parang cobra.
Wow.
Well, malakas. Side by side guys.
Walang niya.
It's parang projecting 2 times or 3 times more than the OG, no?
What the
Pero before we discuss about the projection, magkaamoy siya sa'yo, hindi?
Pucha, almost same lang siya, gagi. Mas malakas siya. Mas parang bumubuga talaga siya. Now we are testing this one during the
Daytime.
daytime.
Tirik
Ang
ang
sarap
araw,
niya. Yung pagka-neroli, the soapiness.
Yung bergamot.
Fuck,
yung
the burger shit.
ginger,
Oo nga.
yung green aspects ng tea.
What the? Parang, ano to? Parang sinaling mo lang dito.
Straight question
Ayoko na.
Magkahawig yung amoy, yes or no?
Magkahawig 100%.
Okay, next question.
Sige.
Sa mga past na imagination dupes na napag-usapan natin, is this the closest to the OG? Or mas close si Marwa, mas close si Hectic?
Oh,
Dediretsuhin kita. Or mas close ito.
Woo! This will be a very controversial, but Tapong ko na to. Ayoko na.
So, yes ba yun?
This is a yes, man. I don't need those.
Guys, hindi ako mag-exaggerate
Throw it out.
Kilala niyo ako. Ako si LV Imagination
Oo.
Boy. Dati,
Wow.
para sa akin, Marwa
What
is the closest.
Oo.
Hectic
What the
second kasi mas malakas lang yung citrus niya. Pero guys, as of now, as of today, Hirsch 2 na ang pinakamalapit scent profile-wise. Okay, pa-fast forward ko na.
Go.
Tatanungin nila,
Kinikilig
how does
ako
it
sobra.
perform?
Mm?
Okay. Guys, kung nagustuhan niyo yung performance ni Marwa, I wouldn't say na parang Marwa levels to.
Okay.
But sige, isa-isa natin. Projection-wise, this projects more than double kung anong projection nito.
That's correct. I can see it here.
Naamoy mo imagination na mamatay
Sobrang,
na.
wala na imagination. It's
Guys,
dying down already.
Kaya namin spinay side by side. Yan yung sinasabi namin sa inyo. Kahit OG to, kahit mahal to, it doesn't necessarily mean that it performs.
Yeah.
Like ito, hindi nga namin, well, meron pero very faint na lang.
Yeah.
Pero ito pumuputok pa rin eh.
It shines.
Mm-mm.
It doesn't stop. Parang ito yung pure energy. Parang si Gary Valenciano. Parang,
Pero, guys, finulwear ko na to, I think
Uh-huh.
3 times na. It didn't give the same experience as Cobra na talagang sumakit talaga ulo ko over
head-inducing.
time eh.
Although panalo set profile,
Oo.
but no, it's a no-no.
Saka ano, parang sa akin lang
Oo.
no offense sa mga Cobra users dyan, it comes to be as very synthetic eh, very
Yeah.
chemical yung amoy.
Yeah.
Ito, kahit malakas siya, quality, yes, mas rough siya.
Yeah.
Mas, you
May
can say-
roughness konti, but not that much.
you can say it's screechier,
Mhm.
but it's,
Wow.
hindi siya masakit sa ulo eh.
Hindi talaga. Kasi, it acts like parang, for me dito na pumapasok yung word na parang sinaling mo lang dito. Parang ito, parang tinipid mo, you bottle it inside brand, and you sell it for 20,000 pesos. Etong si Hirsch, parang sinaling lang, medyo naglagay ng rough edges, konting tweak, but sobrang I would say 0.01% lang, and mas kinuality pa niya, mas pinerformance pa niya. Everything talagang, parang dinoktor na niya na lahat
Tingnan mo,
dito sa Hirsch.
EDP concentration.
Oo
lang
nga.
siya. Pero
Ito ano
it's
ko
also EDP.
EDP, yun
Pero
nga
it comes to me as parang mas concentrated ang lahat eh.
Yun nga eh. Diyan mo din makikita, Busterens Hindi lagi porket sinasabi ng mga ibang tao na I would go rather buy designer or the niche version of it para masatisfied ako. It's not always the win-win situation when it comes to that. Pag vinerses mo sa dupe niya. Dito na pumapasok na ito yung panalo right now.
Saka meron akong na-realize eh. Kinukwento ko kay Armin.
Mhm.
Sabi ko minsan, yun nga, we're very impatient. We're in a rush to get the best inspiration, best dupes.
Yes.
Parang alam mo, guys, na-realize ko, naging dumaan din ako dyan eh.
Mhm.
As evident of our past, yun nga, contents.
Mga boodles.
Pero alam nyo, na-realize ko, huwag kayong magmadali eh. Because most of the time, the best copy will come sa latter part eh.
Yes, you take your time.
And who would have thought hindi pa to from Dubai? From Saudi.
Saudi Arabia! Ahlan wa sahlan!
Genie.
Grabe, screams quality talaga. For me, I think this
Sa
is
tingin mo makaka-nose blind din
eto,
sa sobrang lakas.
sa tingin ko, oo, you will get nose blind. But you will get the wafts of it throughout the activity na ginagawa mo or throughout may daily routine ka or pupunta ka sa office or errands mo, you
Actually,
can
alam
smell
mo,
it.
weird eh. Initial spray, yes. Naamoy ko sarili ko.
Mhm.
Lakas, everything.
Yeah?
Pero minsan, I don't know if nano-nose blind ako. I kind of forget na I'm wearing this one.
Oh.
Pero, nakakuha ako ng compliments dito. I think, si Jackie rin na kwento niya sa akin.
Mhm.
Nakakuha rin siya ng compliment from a stranger.
Uy.
Kasi alam mo ito, room filler siya eh.
I
Paano
can
ko
see that.
nalaman? Sprinay ko siya sa damit ko. Nilapag ko lang siya sa kama. Lumabas ako ng kwarto. pagkabalik ko sa kwarto, hanggang CR amoy siya. Pero, yun nga, minsan pag suot ko, parang feeling ko, ay, may pagbango pala ako. Kailangan ko amuyin. Andun naman siya.
Oo.
Pero parang pag hindi ako conscious, nose blind ba tawag dun? Hindi ko siya napapansin eh.
I think you're getting nose blind to it or nasanay yung ilong mo sa sarili mong amoy na hindi mo na maamoy yung ibang pabango.
Oo.
Minsan ganun yung nangyayari.
So, pero, mga tao sa paligid ko, naaamoy. So, ano yun? Sa characteristics niya, talagang nagpo-push siya, nagpo-project siya.
Nagpo-project siya. Pero minsan, pwede rin dyan pumasok yung pagka-science eh. Minsan, bigyan din natin ng pahinga yung ilong natin. Let's choose a day not wearing a perfume. Just parang bagong ligo ka lang. You don't apply a deodorant on your kilikili or you don't apply a perfume on yourself. Just a very normal day lang. Normal routine lang yung kung ano yung gusto mong gawin throughout the day. Minsan dapat we need to put that.
Sige, i-clear ko na rin dito. In terms of longevity,
Yeah.
hindi ito parang cobra levels na parang hanggang isang linggo na sa damit mo yung
Or
amoy.
doon pa lang maaamoy ka na.
Ito, sa akin siguro I would say mga maximum 6 hours. Medyo
6 hours.
nagpe-faint na siya. Pero the first 2 hours, projection is na hindi masakit sa ulo. For some people like me,
Yeah.
mas importante yun eh.
That's true.
Na pleasurable yung wearing experience eh.
Yeah.
But again, I'm not against people who, yun nga, cobra ako ng cobra eh. Because cobra, sa totoo lang, you will get compliments kasi mapapansin ka. And maaamoy mo talaga sarili mo.
Yeah.
Oh. But guys, in terms of quality, napakalayo.
Sobrang layo.
Sobrang
Like,
layo.
if you put them side by side sa versus mo lahat sa Hirsch, it's like parang sa mga bago pa lang nanonood ngayon, if you are planning to buy LV Imagination, we encourage you, don't buy the others. Samplein mo muna, spray it mo muna, test it for yourself, and try to compare this one compared sa LV Imagination, okay? And see for yourself which one would you prefer. Maybe, baka magustuhan niya or maybe hindi niya magustuhan. Baka mapili mo yung mga ibang twist ng LV
Naalala mo
Imagination
yung-
dupes out there.
Yung past content natin.
Oo.
Ang conclusion ko was, after smelling the dupes na meron natin nun, I will still keep this.
Oo nga eh.
Pero alam mo, ngayon, honestly,
Ano?
parang may parang pwede nang, for me, mag-replace dito.
Talaga?
And guys, honestly, I think I'm willing to sell this
Oh
at this point.
Because of this
Because of
release. Okay, tatanungin kita. Would you buy a backup bottle for yourself this one?
Yes. Alam ni Miss Jackie yan, minessage ko siya. Sabi ko, I need a backup bottle.
Oh my God! Wala na. May nanalo na.
Nanalo na.
May bagong iuuwi na si Boss Terence, which is Hirsch from the brand of Al-Ease Oud from Saudi Arabia. So we are looking forward to smell different scents from this brand. It seems like ito pa lang yung naamoy natin. Paano na kaya yung mga ibang release nila, no?
Na-intriga rin ako eh.
Parang mapapakamot ulo kami. Ano kaya yung mga maamoy dun, no? Parang, is it really quality as this one? Or may mga original creations na sila siguro, no? Boss Terence?
I really don't know. We'll see.
We'll try to figure it out and looking forward to that. And we're going now for the recommendations. Would you recommend it to our audience? Yes or no?
Guys, simple lang. Bago ko sagutin yun, we were contemplating whether or not to make this content. Kasi sa totoo lang, I want to gatekeep that.
Oo, pang-gatekeep siya.
Sa totoo lang
Ayaw namin i-share sa inyo.
So, pero sige, dito na tayo eh. Yes, 100%. Ano ko na, rating ko dito, 10 out of 10.
Oh my God!
10 out of 10 as a dupe, 10 out of 10 as a standalone.
Oh my God!
Actually, I should judge it as a dupe eh. It's the best imagination dupe na na-own ko.
Wow!
To date.
Wow! Grabe. Pa-spray naman natin sa audience natin para maamoy naman din nila.
Sige.
Spray
Guys,
mo nga.
tignan
Amoy
nyo.
na. Amoy niyo.
Uy, sayang!
Uy! Amoy niyo, guys. Okay? For me, I would rate it, for me, easily, this is also a 10 out of 10. It's such a banger release. Nabudol na naman ako ni Boss Terence. I'm planning to buy a bottle soon nito. Very soon, but wala pa akong planong bumili ngayon ng bote. But where it comes to the point na kahit wala kang planong bumili ng pabango sa sarili mo, wala eh. Mapapagastos ka na
Ang
naman.
ganda ng bote, oh, parang girlan.
Yun nga, parang girland style, no? But in a Saudi Arabia style way, no? In a very assalamu alaikum or ahlan wa sahlan style
Ang
way.
ganda ng pagka-frosted niya.
Yun nga eh. And, yeah. Would you, nothing else to say, Boss Terence, to our
Okay.
audience?
Guys, good luck na lang sa inyo. Medyo pahirapan maghanap niyan. Pero hopefully, maging widely available siya sa market natin.
Yes. Let us know. Have you tried from the brand of Al-Ease Oud? Etong Hirsch? What's your favorite LV Imagination dupe? In the comment section. Like, comment, and share this video. And let us know what's your experience about this perfume. And yung mga question na binanggit namin. Till next time, Fragrance Family, love you all. Mwah! Uwi ko na to, Boss Terence!
Wag!